Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani and today I'm going to be retwisting my hair. I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into rows, and I already told y'all about this parting situation. My parts are not the best, so you can see like my locks are so many different like sizes, but I just spray my hair with some rose water, and there's going to be a rose water tutorial in the description box. But I spray my hair with some rose water and then I separate my hair, I apply some oil, and then I retwist. So it's really just that simple. So I'm just, showing y'all that right now. I'm retwisting really slow just because I want y'all to be able to see how I do it, like how I palm roll, but it really does not take this long. And then I like to clip the first one to the back of my shirt so it doesn't unravel. Sometimes I'll choose not to palm roll specific locks, especially like if the lock is too thick. I want to be able to like make sure that thickness is properly distributed like amongst the lock, and I just feel like palm rolling just makes it really thin at the top sometimes. So sometimes I will just kind of like twirl it with my fingers.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, high and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in it.
Alright, so it is the next day. This is my very first time doing a actual style. Y'all have never seen my hair like this, but I just decided to switch it up. My birthday is next week on October 21st, so I wanted to try something new. I'm doing a few things this weekend with some friends, so I just wanted to try something new. Of course, when I go out, I'm gonna do my edges. They're not gonna be looking like this. I actually just got back from the gym, so the edges are gonna be done. And yeah, I like this. I feel like my hair is at a good length for me to start doing styles, but that's not what this video is about, so I won't even get deep into it. I will talk about it in my 21-month update that should be coming out next week, so stay tuned for that. Please don't ask me for a tutorial on this hairstyle because I don't know how I did it. I just made it happen. It really wasn't even supposed to look like this. It was supposed to be a little bit different, but we had to make some stuff shake. But that is all for this video. As usual, I appreciate you so much for making it to the end of this video. I thank you for watching me talk, for watching me do my thing. If anything in this video resonated with you, make sure you leave me a comment. And if you want me to talk about something that I haven't covered yet, just let me know in the comments. I'm gonna leave all my socials in the the description box, and I'm also going to leave my business in the description box. Your girl is a personal trainer in person and online. So if you need a personal trainer, you need some meal plans, I got you. Click the link. I was about to say click the link in my bio. Click the link in the description box and you can use the code YouTube at checkout for 20% off. That is all for this video, and I will see you guys next time.
Two-time baby girl.